Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Peaches from Lovers of Healthy Life. Well, today is the day that we're going to choose a winner for the giveaway, so I'm so excited. And I'll probably upload this video tomorrow because right now I am enjoying my most favorite part of the fall, and that is a fireplace. I really enjoy nice, cozy, warm fires. So here in Georgia Zone 8, we've been experiencing a lot of cold temperatures here at night, and I had to bring all my tropicals in the greenhouse, and I put up another greenhouse because my tropical collection is growing, and I really love bananas. They're my most favorite fruit. One of my banana trees actually flowered this year, and it was over there by my chickens because I wanted them to have just decorate the chicken area a little bit with flowers and also some fruit trees. And I believe one of my chickens got at the bananas. But anyways, hopefully next year we'll get bananas. But this year we did harvest a bushel of lemons, and also we harvested calamandins. So I'll put a picture up of what we harvested. So I'll show you a clip of my greenhouse after we had freezing temperatures right around 27 degrees, 26 degrees. And I put a little heater in there as well. I did that last year. And the heater I only turn on when I know that the temperatures are going to drop below freezing, and that way it can just give my plants a little bit more warmth throughout the night. So well guys, this is my second greenhouse I put up, and it looks like everything is looking pretty good. Looks like everything is looking pretty good. The flowers are still pretty, and all the banana trees are still nice. So I'm gonna call that. Okay, so with no further ado, we're gonna go ahead and select the winner of the giveaway. Okay, so it is time to pick the winner. I'm gonna go ahead and type in or paste my URL here, and then I'm going to filter out the duplicate users, get the comments, and scroll down here where it says start the raffle. All right, and the winner is Felicia G. I need to get a mini greenhouse. Missouri winter keeps showing itself here and there. I love to enter. Thank you so much for your opportunity. I'll definitely share with my mom. I get my green thumb from her. Awesome. So Felicia G is the winner, and I will send you an email so you can send me your information. So congratulations. Okay, so that was really awesome. So I'm going to be doing some more videos, maybe a series of videos of cooking. And I was talking to my husband, because we get power outages out here, especially during hurricanes. Obviously we're in Georgia Zone 8, so we don't get direct hurricane hits, but we do get a lot of hurricane winds. And so I want to do some cooking. I'm going to be doing some cooking by the fireplace and only using the fireplace to cook some meals. So I want to show you how you can accomplish that. And if you don't have a fireplace, you could do the same thing outdoors. Dig a little hole in the ground, put a little crate over it, and voila, you have yourself a little grill. But basically I want to show you how you can cook meals without using any electricity. And I have some other videos that I'll be uploading as well about the emergency preparedness. This is the only room that I've decorated so far. I mean, we've got some wreaths up around the outside the house, and my husband actually put a tree in the chicken coop. Yeah, guys. I mean, near the chicken coop. He put a tree near the chicken coop, and I couldn't believe it. But anyways, he says, "Hey, babes, you gonna decorate this tree?" And I'm like, okay, I'll decorate the tree. But anyways, so yeah, we have a tree near the chicken coop. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting up a tree probably here in our den area, and then one up in our great room, and maybe decorating a few more items. But I'll do a little tour of a Christmas home tour video, something like that. But thank you so much for following along. Happy gardening, and God bless, and stay safe, guys.